Question number 5 says the number line below shows point W. Which number does point W represent on the line? All right, so the first thing I notice is that I have my whole numbers already labeled for me. I have 11, 12, and 13. All right, I'm looking at point W and what it represents. So the first thing I've got to figure out is what my number line is broken into. I know it has to be fractional decimal parts because I have whole numbers with pieces in between. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to jump all the way from 11 to 12 and see how many jumps I can make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that tells me I'm at 11 for my whole number and something tenths. So then I'm going to jump just to the W on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 10. Okay, so I made it 6 jumps out of 10 total jumps across. So that would be 11 and 6/10, but I need to write that as a decimal, it looks like. So I can go ahead and mark off B and C because those are at 7. And then I need to ask myself, where is my tenths place when we talk about place value? Okay, it's going to come, remember, before your hundredths. Sorry, there's Bill again. So if I want to put my 6 in my tenths place, it's got to be right next to it. So this couldn't be it because that's in the hundredths. So A is your best choice on that one.